What's going on, Snazzy family? We're back again with another banger video. In today's video, we're going to be doing some sticker marketing for our clothing brand. Sadly, location 1, the footage was corrupted, the camera died, so we're going to get straight into location number 2. If you guys like this video, drop a like, subscribe, comment down below to help boost us in the algorithm. Let's get this video to about, let's say, 200 likes. If we could get this video to 200 likes, we have something in store for you guys. It's actually a surprise, just so you guys can run it up. So let's get straight into the video.
Don't forget, guys, these are also waterproof vinyl stickers. All right, guys, so we're walking up on the second location now. All right, guys, so we got the second stickers placed. These are some fire locations. So we're out at this area in Milford. Got one right here. We got one over on this bench. And then we got one over on this trash can. Snazzy Apparel, you already know. We rocking it right now. Let's go. So guys, currently the camera ran out of SD storage. So we gotta go back to the studio and get another card actually. I don't know why I said get more, but anyways, go back there now. So guys, honestly, just my point is just basically my point on this plan is to basically help others and empower everyone else's mind, because all I have to do now is get extremely rich. That's all I really need to focus on, and this brand and helping others. If I sit around and don't do anything, then that's wasting away my soul. It's literally doing nothing at all to help humanity. Like, we're all here for a purpose. Remember that, guys. Like, you're not just here to sit around and play video games. Like, you're meant to conquer the world. Honestly, guys, we literally could put some on these stop signs. Or like, I don't want to like, street signs aren't allowed, so I don't want to like break the law. Even though like gas pumps and stuff like that shouldn't be allowed either, but we do. We're going to. Probably maybe not like these littler gas stations, but like rural farms and stuff all day long. Is this a FedEx building? I think this is FedEx. Like these little mail things, I'm definitely putting some on. But right now we got to get back to the studio so we can get another SD card. Yeah, guys, we just need to keep grinding, man. Just keep staying positive. Keep building that brand. Keep going in your life. You know what I'm saying? Just if you're not striving, if you're not working out every day, if you're not pushing to your best potential every single day of your life, then what's the point? What's the point of life? Like, I will be right back, guys. I'm at the studio. I gotta go get this SD card and set this camera up better because it's not cutting it. All right, lads.
Boy got nigga no J. Why you tryna get in my head? She put the team at the best. She put the team right on X. Then she be right to the next. You stuck on a bitch, I'm stuck in my way. I get on the mic and I do it all day. Ain't fucking these niggas, you say it's a fake. I know you be mad when I'm all in LA. I'm with a bitch that live by the day. She want my life, she want a taste. Take me some flakes, all on my cake. Gee, look at my life, I'm straight. Look at your life, you stuck in your way. Look at my life, I just spit at the pace. You stuck in your ways.
Honestly, guys, let's go play some on some gas pumps at rural farms. 1 or 2 of them.
I can't go, I never be out. The perky, come get him. You soft like a cookie, go split. Truly, rock for the dead. Yeah, and he hating on me and I'm winning. Christian hoes over here saying they send it. My business been take us it's tennis. Roll down the window, she in it. Yeah, try to suck on my dick cause I'm winning. I look at this bitch like you kidding. You can stand, you lose cause I'm finished.
You see it, that's where I'm gonna put it.
Smoking the booth till I'm finished.
Yes.
Christian hoes over here saying they send it.
Oh, I'm gonna put it right under the pump.
time
I
to
had
put
to
it.
go out to they listen. This be the shit that they play at the
Right here,
party.
people
Show
gonna
'em my
see it.
stress like I walked in with Mari. They send they best when I put up in Harley. Cause they can't with shit that
We're
would
just
walk
getting
down
ready.
the
We're
Mari.
hop
Track
in,
on,
hop
yeah,
out.
yeah, the race.
That's the plan.
Yeah, yeah, told you I'm out of fence. Bitch red bone, eyes look Asian. Hits they move, they can't take it. No, I don't care that they better. I do my shit and I stay with the steppers. It's getting hot like the shit with the peppers. Man, why the fuck do we stay with Beretta? I fill my cup and I say something clever. Bring these bitch here, we went up a level. I can't go.
Got it.
You soft like a cookie, go split.
Nice. That looks badass. That looks badass, guys.
Now we drive off. Got it on the big slide, yes sir. You already know at the baseball field. Got it on the tic-tac-toe. Let's get it, bro.
We are gonna place a sticker in a porta potty. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's right over there. Porta potty's fire. Alright guys, shut off the car.
Guys, so we got one placed in the porta potty. This shit looks absolutely insane. Dude, this marketing strategy is honestly gonna blow this brand to the roof. It's gonna go crazy, guys. Let's get back in the car. Alright guys, so we're gonna go on the Milford River Walk. Alright guys, so we're out at the Milford boardwalk. So basically you're gonna go and place over on these poles where people fish at. So honestly guys, this water looks deep as shit. Imagine an alligator came out at me. That'd be honestly insane. Alright guys, so we need to go get more stickers actually, so we're about to go get them, and then we're about to go head on the trails. Guys, we're basically going to stick a sticker everywhere we possibly can find on this trail. We're definitely going to place one right on this bridge right here, so let's do it.
So we got one on the trash can. Focus up, focus up. Yes, sir.
Right here on Goat Island, we'll put one all the way over there. Right over there. We'll put one on that pole. So, I'm trying to think where else we should stick one in here. Honestly, I think right under this table would be good.
Good spot to stick one. Put one right here. Make sure the QR code is readable. Alright guys, we got it. Let's head on the trails.
Alright guys, we're honestly gonna put one right behind where this no bicycles is allowed sign.
That bitch right there.
Alright, let's go.
So guys, like you guys know, my brand basically is to empower others to become the best version of themselves, wake people up from the matrix, and expand your third eye. If you guys want to join the movement, make sure you guys drop a sub, drop a like on this video. And guys, we're honestly, this brand is about to go up, and I thank you all so much for supporting me along the way. We're about to go hard with this grind, bro. Y'all are gonna see some crazy stuff. All right, let's put one on this trash can. Yo. Suckers will be everywhere eventually, guys. You'll literally see them when you go out to lunch, when you go for a walk. You'll see them in New York City, in Philadelphia. You're gonna see them in Dover. Guys, you're gonna see them everywhere. You guys are gonna see these stickers everywhere. By everywhere, I mean everywhere. I'm gonna place one on this pole. You already know. Matrix can't stop us, lads. Matrix cannot stop us. Riverwalk, 1.3 miles. Anyways, I see another trash can and more benches. I'd like to place one here. Let's put one right on the bench. Let's put one on a bench. Marketing for days. So guys, like, what I want you guys to drop a comment in the comment section of what are your ways of marketing your brand. I know there's TikTok, I know there's Instagram, but like I'm saying, like marketing it to the public. Like for example, your town, for example, stickers, signs, business cards, anything. You could literally do anything with marketing. So leave your comment down in the comment section and let me know how you guys market your brand. Okay, let me just put this into y'all's perspective. What if we're only supposed to eat plants and vegetables, and then animals are only supposed to eat meat? Because like our teeth, they're not sharp the way animals are. So it kind of doesn't make sense to me, because like maybe food is an addiction. And we're all just addicted to food. Like people are addicted to drugs and shit. Maybe we're all just addicted to food. What do we truly know? Like, what do we truly know if that's right or wrong? What if we truly know if these rocks on the ground were not put here for a purpose? Like, I know that sounds pretty stupid, but like, I'm just trying to get my point across. Like, what do we really know is going on behind the scenes? We really don't. So that's basically what I'm trying to spread with this brand, is like wake people up, but also expose the truth, spread the truth. I'm trying to find this spot. Honestly, what about right there? I like that location. Trust me, a lot of high traffic comes through here. So say somebody stops and read the sign, they're gonna see the QR code, because like it's obvious. Oh, there's some bright colors there, let me look at it. It's a QR code, let me scan it. Takes it right to my Instagram, and then I can funnel traffic right to my website. So it's gonna be a no-brainer. It's gonna be entirely outrageous.
Alright guys, that's it for today's video. If you guys like this video, like and subscribe. Drop a comment down below. Let me know how you thought of the video. Stay tuned, because the sign video, I'm placing 100 signs around my state. Stay tuned for that. That's about to drop in the next couple of days. Stay true to yourself. Stay positive. Trust in your vision. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace!